Imagine writing the same line of code 100 times. There's got to be a better way, right? Today we're discovering Python's most powerful time saver. We're diving into for loops, Python's incredible repetition machine. By the end, we'll write loops, understand loop variables, and create awesome patterns with just a few lines of code. Let's say we want to print Pakistan Zindabad 5 times for Independence Day decorations. Without loops, we'd have to write this same line 5 times. That's a lot of typing. But check this out. With a for loop, we get the exact same output with just 2 lines. This is the magic of loops, and they make repetitive tasks super easy. Let's break down every part of this for loop. The word for tells Python we want to repeat something. The variable I keeps track of which repetition we're on. The word in connects our variable to what we're looping through. Check out something super important. Range 5 creates 5 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice it starts at 0 and stops before 5. Here's a mistake everyone makes at first: forgetting the colon after range 5. Python needs that colon to know where our loop begins. It's like saying, then do this. Let's watch our loop variable I in action. Each time through the loop, I changes to the next number. First it's 0, then 1, then 2, and so on. See how I starts at 0 and goes up to 4? That's 5 repetitions total, exactly what we wanted. Hey kids! Fun fact: programmers count from 0 because it makes math way easier for computers to handle. Remember this golden rule, and everything indented under the for statement runs each time through the loop. If it's not indented, it runs after the loop finishes. Let's test our understanding. Look at this code and think. How many times will hello print? How many times will goodbye print? Both hello and goodbye print 3 times each because they're both indented under the for loop. Remember, everything indented runs each time. Amazing work! We've learned that for loops repeat code efficiently, range creates number sequences starting from 0, loop variables track each iteration, and indentation determines what repeats. You just mastered your first for loop.